So the journey starts from here. So we came at the Rishop. There was a homestay. So after reaching the homestay, now we are heading back to Lava Bajar. After that, we will go to home from Lava Bajar. So this is little bit of dangerous road. This road is not as smooth. The condition of the road is also not good. I mean, it is not washed. You can say it's bad. But lots of potholes are there inside the road. And yeah, the overall, despite the condition of the road, the natural beauty around the road is extremely fabulous. You can't imagine how much beautiful it is. Extremely beautiful. The long pine tree, and right now it is little bit cold, but right now the weather is also awesome. The weather is it's warming, and the temperature is not that much hot, but still it's pleasure. It's pleasant. And see, the road is little bit dangerous, so if you want to come to this route, you have to be expert. I mean, if you are coming the first time, so first you have to practice practice climbing the hills like through car, and then whenever you will become expert, then you can come. See the beauty, the weather. So nature is God gifted, you have to agree. And the hills, the hills, your beauty. Always the long pine forest, always we love. So in the morning, Mama told that we will go to Lava, but Mama didn't tell me that we will also go to the Rishop. So probably Mama have found something in YouTube, and that Rishop there, at the Rishop there will be a homestay. So Mama thought, why not go to the Rishop? So that's why we came to the Rishop, and there was an auntie. So the behavior auntie was extremely good. So the auntie guided us that how you will be here and how you will get a room here. And the food, Mama got a cup of coffee, and Mama told me that the taste of coffee was extremely delicious. So Mama offered me also, but I told Mama that no, I can't take. Again coming back to the pine forest. So see, the road is, I mean, not crowded, not that much crowded. So we got a phone call. I don't know from where we got the phone call. So that scammer called us from Bajaj Finser Market. I don't know why. So see, so Mama, I mean, how much kilometer it will take to reach Lava Market? 2 kilometer?
7 to 8.
7 to 8 kilometer. Oh, still. So Mommy called us now. So Mommy missed us. Initially Mommy was also there in the plan, but somehow under some inconvenience Mommy didn't come. So probably Mommy was missing the place at home. So that's why she called us right now. If Mommy could join us, probably it would be more fun. So what I can do? Nothing. And yeah. So for the time being, bye. We will meet you soon. So see the forest, the long pine tree. So the forest, the long pine tree. What? So evergreen trees. So our cutie pie told us these are not only pine trees, these are evergreen trees. So see the forest. And Mama is driving actually right now. Yes, Mama is driving, and in the back our little cutie pie is there. And me also. I'm in front of the seat. I'm in the front seat. I'm making the videos. So yeah, bye. Next time we will see you again.